Speaker, I too want to speak to March as Juvenile Arthritis Month. Many Ontarians are not aware that children can get arthritis. To increase the public's knowledge of disease, the Arthritis Society has designated March as Juvenile Arthritis Awareness Month. Juvenile arthritis is one of the most common chronic conditions that affect children. About 1 in 1,000 children under the age of 16 live with arthritis. Juvenile arthritis, and arthritis in its many forms, causes excruciating, constant pain, fatigue, depression, and disability that can sideline a child from engaging in the normal school activities, school work, school play, and physical activity. Sadly, many children with arthritis are teased and ridiculed by their peers in school for having, quote, an old people's disease, and are isolated because they are unable to keep up with their peers. During the month of March, activities and outreach are being undertaken across the province of Ontario. Funds raised by the Arthritis Society help to provide education and community support programs and services to families of children with arthritis, and supports research into the underlying cause of juvenile arthritis. Juvenile arthritis can take a terrible toll on the lives of Canadian children, as well as their family and friends. I commend the Arthritis Society for this initiative. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank you.